Step into a canvas where nature's brush paints daily masterpieces across skies, mountains, and meticulously crafted living spaces. Each detail is a note in a grand opus of living art. Here, you don't just live life. You experience it in a home designed to inspire, not just impress. Embrace the essence of 575 Highland Drive. Every step within this custom estate unveils a testament to the timeless beauty of natural materials, thoughtfully chosen to honor the landscape they occupy. The heart of the forest breathes through the clear cedar, Douglas-fir timbers, and heart redwood that grace doors, windows, and paneling, creating a rare and profound harmony between home and nature. Inspired by the visionary architect, Bernard Maybeck, this residence whispers tales of a modern sanctuary, where less is more, and elegance is defined not by luxury, but by the authenticity of materials and design. Plaster walls, concrete accents, and unfinished woods stand proudly in their natural beauty, untouched by paint, allowing the textures and grains to speak for themselves. The main level acts as the core of the home, where living spaces blend sophistication with warmth. Here, a chef's kitchen equipped with the finest appliances opens to a living and dining area, designed for memorable gatherings. All framed by sweeping views of the surrounding landscape. A billiards room and guest suite extend an invitation for leisure and hospitality. As you ascend to the upper sanctuary, the home transitions into private retreats. The primary suite and 2 additional bedrooms offer serene spaces for rest. Each with views that connect the inhabitants to the tranquil outdoors. A secluded library and loft provide a peaceful nook for reflection and reading, surrounded by the rich textures of natural wood. On the lower level, you'll find a spacious, projector-ready home theater, promising shared moments of entertainment and relaxation. This outdoor oasis, complete with a dedicated bathhouse, offers a serene retreat, seamlessly merging the comforts of indoors with the freedom of open air. The property's connection to nature is profound. Its backyard opens onto the Las Trampas open space trails, inviting exploration and adventure right from your doorstep. Here, the dance of daylight across the home's surfaces tells a story of time and beauty, reflecting the changing moods of the landscape. It's a place where the light illuminates and transforms, making the natural world an integral part of the home's character. .575 Highland Drive stands as a testament to a life well lived, where architecture and nature merge into a sanctuary of beauty and inspiration. This is more than a home. It's a retreat designed to elevate every moment, inviting you to embrace a legacy of elegance and harmony. Welcome to the pinnacle of living. Welcome home.